Noisiest friends, I cannot believe that. Wait, does Nico plays Rivals? I don't know. But these are YouTubers. Like, I see Nico Cruz. If you don't mind, okay, no one sees this. Alright, anyways. Wait, what is it? Oh, yeah, let me just zoom close. Wait, is this actually the real? There's no way these people are real. And it's crazy that they're not online. I was about to say. And, don't worry. What happened? No. You didn't see. Okay. I'll tell you what I was doing. I actually was. Bro, hold up. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I like, the people who made these games. Cause I like, and the reason why I searched this up, because of the people, and I want to have them, because I just want to. I mean, Rivals is my favorite game. And I'll show you who are my favorite YouTubers. Nico, he's a cool guy. And Cruz, I watch him a lot. And I like Bundun because of his kindness. Wait, hold up. I want to see what game is he working on right now. Creations. Bundun's place. Hold on. I want to see what is happening. Bundun. There's a noob over here. He's stuck. I don't know what's happening. He's working on this game with the Roblox edition. Whoa. So, can you send this to one of the YouTubers or DM them? Cause I just wanted to let them know that they're like really cool. And I was always dreaming to be a YouTuber, which I am right now. So I keep trying to post. I keep trying to get my post schedule a little. And wait, who are playing this game? The Voided Noob. I mean, yeah. If Bundun is watching this, I can give you some like cool things to add to your game. Like you should probably add what is it? Probably pets, cause pets might be a good one. And probably hold up, I'm trying to think. Oh, a pool. Probably. Yeah, you gotta make the water deep. So, and there's like treasure probably on the below. And let me just swim. And I'm swimming towards the ground. Wait, hold up. What? Why am I dancing like that? Hold up. Like I can swim up here, and then do a backflip. Oh, you should do dance moves. You should add in here. I was thinking. Anyways, if you can send this to one of the YouTubers, that will be great. Because I never get to friend one of the YouTubers in my life. So like Venduli, Venduli is actually pretty like, oh my gosh, I cannot explain. He's super funny when on his shorts, especially the little Timmys. When I mean little Timmys, I mean like super little Timmys. Who's Levi? I watch Bundan not much, but he's still a nice YouTuber though. So otherwise, you're probably friend. Wait, I actually want to know. Wait, do you have that friend? Oh, what is this? Pamina. Oh, the one thing I'm trying to focus on, if he friended that kid who was being nice to him in that one obby, I forgot. Oh. Hey, I think I know this dude. He's on my FYP a lot. I'm not joking. Slobgate. I'm going to K. Oh my gosh, K's like my favorite YouTuber too. But I gotta find the kid after I do this. I'm not sure if they will accept it. If they do accept it, I will be super happy. Like, my throat. Oh no, how do I move this? There's no way he has next friends if I can't even go to next. They should not add this. That Zoom thing. Cause I can't go next. Yeah, it's impossible. So anyways, can you please send, if you can like send them to Discord, you can send this to them on Discord or something like that. And I will do anything so that and also I'm really good at Rivals. Like really good. I can probably win either way. Anyways, I was wondering if here so all the YouTubers except for the game YouTubers, because they're probably gonna say no, and probably some YouTubers are too, but if I beat you in Rivals and 3 times in a row, can I get a bundle? Like any bundle? I'll show you what bundle I have. Cause my cousin gave it to me. So, these are the weapons I have. I have Stanward's bundle. I'll show you what I got from the past. No, I don't remember. And look, I have a spear. So I have spear. See here, I'll show you what bundle I have. I forgot I was supposed to show you that. I don't have energy bundles or hexagon. Classic bundle, I really want that. So anyways, I have medkit bundle and Stanward's weapon bundle, and my cousin gave this to me too, and this. So like, yeah. So and plus, I'm like really good. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. Actually, hold up. Let me just hold up. Let me get my good weapons. And also, I also like Techie. Not like that, but if whoa, don't think it weird, please. And also, I can probably beat him in a 1v1. Cause yeah, I'm sure how OP I am. Oh, this is bad. I should not probably do this. Anyways, I'm just gonna try my best. Wait, this is good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he can't die. Hold up. I gotta do a different bot. Oh, this one. Oh, I should show you how I'm good with knife. I'm really good with knife. Oh, that was bad. It's my got him. Alright, and then we got this. We go up here. There it is. Oh my god. Alright, then I'm probably gonna be done since I don't want to be a 11 minutes video, so like, yeah. Alright, then I'm just gonna backstab them all. Hold on, is it confirmed that you can backstab a head in its instant kill? Yeah. It's like, oh, actually, never mind, because if you go any body part, and then that's how it. Oh my gosh, why am I doing that? Hold on. This is if we had like a real map, I'll probably do it. Anyways, please send this to the YouTubers and oh, I murdered him. Anyways, I'm gonna stop recording because you probably have better things to do. So anyways, I'm just gonna see you later. Goodbye. Bye bye. Hold up, hold up. I have to do something before you go. I'm just gonna blind myself. I can't do that. Well, I'm just gonna blind myself either way. Blind. Alright, guys. Wait, I should do that for the. Oh, hold up. Hold up. I should do that. Alright, I'm gonna be out. Goodbye, guys.